You can pack all the camping gear in the world, but without a way to keep food cold, you're eating trail mix and warm sandwiches for days. A good 12-volt refrigerator changes that. Real freezing power, no ice needed, and cold drinks whenever you want them. But with different compressor tech, battery drain risks, and app connectivity claims, it's easy to pick the wrong one. I dug into 5 of the best car fridges out there to find which ones actually deliver on the road. The EUHOMY hits the ground running with a variable frequency compressor that drops from 68 to 32 degrees in just 15 minutes. That's legitimately fast. You're not waiting around for cold drinks. It pulls about 45 watts on average, with both Eco mode for saving power and Max mode when you need rapid cooling. The dual-zone design keeps odors separate, which matters more than you'd think on longer trips. You get AC and DC adapters right in the box, plus Bluetooth app control for tweaking temps from the driver's seat. The 3-level battery protection lets you dial in how much draw is safe for your vehicle. Users like the app convenience and cooling speed, though the app itself isn't the most polished. VEVOR's 26-quart fridge runs quiet, under 45 decibels, so you're not listening to a compressor cycle all night. It hits -4 degrees in about an hour and a half at 77-degree ambient temps, which is solid performance for the size. The LED screen gives you direct temperature readout, and Bluetooth app control lets you adjust from a distance. It sips power too, under 41 watts in Eco mode, and even in Max mode it stays under 46 watts with less than a kilowatt-hour per day total draw. It'll handle tilting up to 45 degrees, so rough roads won't shut it down. A C and DC adapters are included for home or vehicle use. BougeRV's 23-quart fridge weighs just over 22 pounds, light enough to move around without throwing your back out. It cools from 77 to 32 degrees in 15 minutes and down to -5 in under an hour, thanks to its compressor refrigeration tech. Power draw sits at 36 watts in Eco mode and 45 in Max, with intelligent cycling keeping daily consumption under a kilowatt-hour. The 3-level battery protection prevents draining your starter battery, which is non-negotiable for overnight trips. It's also shock-proof rated for 30-degree inclines, so off-road bouncing won't kill it. Dometic is the name in portable refrigeration, and the CFX shows why. The exoframe construction with aluminum alloy handles is built to take a beating, and the high-resolution color display makes temperature settings dead simple. Dual zones with independent controls mean you can freeze on one side and refrigerate on the other. Power it via AC, DC, or solar, and the 3-stage battery protection keeps your vehicle from going dead. The CFX3 app adds Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control with performance history tracking. It uses a VM-SO3 compressor that deep freezes down to -7 degrees. Real freezing power, not just chilling. Users rave about the build quality and temperature accuracy, though the premium price reflects that. Best for serious overlanders, full-time RVers, and anyone who demands commercial-grade performance and doesn't want to compromise. EKOJUCE keeps it simple and small. 15 liters of capacity in a compact package with a hidden handle that tucks away when not in use. It's UL certified, energy efficient, and runs quiet at 42 decibels. The LCD panel lets you dial any temp from -4 to 68 degrees, so it works as a fridge or freezer depending on what you need. The 3-level battery protection gives you control over vehicle drain, and it auto-restarts when voltage normalizes. It's not built for serious off-road bouncing, but 4 tie-down slots let you secure it with straps. Users appreciate the small footprint and quiet operation, though the capacity is really for solo travelers or couples. Best for truck drivers, boat owners, and solo campers who need a compact, efficient fridge that won't take up half the trunk.